Join me as I dive deep into DGLY stock and try to predict its next big move in today's expert analysis. DGLY is a company that's been making waves in the market lately, and for good reason. Its innovative approach to tech has caught the attention of investors and analysts alike, making it a stock worth keeping an eye on. If you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and make informed investment decisions, then DGLY is definitely a company you should care about. The stock market has been pretty volatile lately, with ups and downs that have left many investors scrambling to make sense of it all. DGLY is no exception, facing challenges from competitors and market trends that are affecting its stock performance. One of the biggest hurdles the company is facing is increased competition from established players in the industry. This has led to a bit of a squeeze on DGLY's market share, causing some investors to worry about its long-term prospects. But it's not all doom and gloom. DGLY has been working hard to adapt to changing market conditions and stay ahead of the curve. The company has been investing heavily in research and development, which should help it stay competitive in the long run. Of course, there are no guarantees in the stock market, and DGLY's stock price can fluctuate wildly based on a variety of factors. As we take a closer look at the market trends, it's clear that DGLY is operating in a space that's rapidly evolving. This has created both opportunities and challenges for the company, and investors need to be aware of these dynamics if they want to make informed decisions. Understanding these trends is crucial to making sense of DGLY's stock performance. In terms of recent financials, DGLY has reported some impressive numbers that are worth taking a closer look at. The company's revenue has been growing steadily, driven by strong demand for its products and services. However, there are also some concerns about its profitability, which has been impacted by increased competition and higher operating costs. Analyzing DGLY's recent financial reports, we can see that the company is making progress on several fronts. Its market position is strong, and it's well positioned to take advantage of emerging trends in the industry. There have also been some notable news developments that could impact DGLY's stock performance, including regulatory changes and partnerships with other major players. One key factor to consider is DGLY's cash flow, which has been a concern for some investors. However, the company has been working to address this issue, and its recent financial reports suggest that it's making progress. Of course, there are always risks associated with investing in the stock market, and DGLY is no exception. In my expert opinion, DGLY stock is a buy, but with some caveats. The company's strong market position and growth potential make it an attractive opportunity for investors looking to get in on the ground floor. However, there are also risks to consider, such as increased competition and regulatory uncertainty. Ultimately, I believe that DGLY stock has the potential to deliver strong returns over the long term, but it's essential to do your own research and make informed decisions. The key factors that led me to this conclusion include DGLY's strong financial performance, its competitive advantage in the market, and its growth potential. Of course, there are no guarantees in the stock market, and DGLY's stock price can fluctuate wildly based on a variety of factors. However, based on my analysis, I believe that DGLY is a company worth keeping an eye on. When it comes to DGLY stock, there are several risks to consider. One of the biggest risks is increased competition from established players in the industry. There's also regulatory uncertainty, which could impact DGLY's business model and profitability. However, I believe that these risks are manageable, and DGLY's potential rewards outweigh its risks. To summarize, DGLY is a company that's worth keeping an eye on, with a strong market position and growth potential. Its recent financial reports have been impressive, and I believe that its stock has the potential to deliver strong returns over the long term. Thanks for watching my expert analysis of DGLY stock. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the company and its prospects. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Don't forget to check out my next video for more stock analysis and insights.